Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to make 2 cups of delicious espresso on your Siemens EQ.6 Plus coffee making machine at once. That's awesome. Then a delicious espresso is oh a coffee brewing method of Italian origin, in which a small amount of nearly boiling water, about 90 degrees Celsius or 190 degrees Fahrenheit, is forced under 9 up to 10 bars. These are 900 up to 1000 kilopascal and 130 up to 150 psi of pressure through finely ground coffee beans. Espresso coffee can be made with a wide variety of coffee beans and roast degrees. And the first ingredient is water. So fill up your water tank of your coffee machine. Then, of course, we are going to need delicious beans. These are awesome beans, and these beans are to make fresh, awesome, delicious coffee with that roasted coffee beans. Do not insert any other kinds as well, like sugar beans or something caramel beans as well. That's not good. Only the brewed coffee beans are the right beans on this machine here to make a delicious espresso. And this, in one time, 2 of them in only one operation. That's really awesome. But before we are going to start, we are now preheating our delicious, nice cups. For this, we are going to switch to hot water, and we are going to adjust the size to as you like, small, medium, big, and of course 2 times. We touch the 2 cup button until we can see on screen the 2 times of hot water. It's the same later 2 times of espresso. But first step is we are going to make hot water to preheat our cups. Now we are nearly ready to enjoy 2 espresso at one shot. Once we have selected the espresso, then we can prepare 2 cups simultaneously as soon as we touch the start stop to begin this dispensing. We have to touch the appropriate symbol, select the desired drink. In our case, it will be an espresso. Then, after we did that, we can place 2 pre-warmed cups at left and right underneath the beverage outlet. And then the next step is we have to touch the 2 cup button on the bottom left side, and then we can touch start stop to begin dispensing the beverage. The selected drink will be brewed and will then be dispensed into the 2 cups. The drink is prepared in 2 stages, 2 grinding operations. So we have to wait until the process is completely finished. Depending on the type of the appliance of the function, the 2 cups at once may be available only for black coffee, not for milky coffee drinks, for example. But in our case, we are going to make 2 espressi. That's awesome, delicious espressi. Oh. Espresso is the most common way of making coffee in Southern Europe, especially in Italy, Spain, Portugal, Switzerland, Southern France, and Bulgaria. And in the States too. Espresso is awesome and delicious. The espresso is generally thicker than other coffee brewed by other methods, with a viscosity of warm honey. This is due to the higher concentration of suspended and dissolved solids and has crema on top, baby. And at least the 2 delicious cups of espresso or espressi are ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.